Human nature is a complex tapestry woven with threads of both goodness and darker inclinations. Within each of us resides an intricate interplay between our virtuous, angelic side and the potential for malevolence. This internal dichotomy defines the essence of being human, a constant negotiation between light and shadow. The angelic side of our nature manifests in moments of kindness, compassion, and altruism. It's the part of us that seeks connection, understanding, and the betterment of not just ourselves, but the world around us. Acts of selflessness, generosity, and empathy emanate from this inherent goodness within, forming the foundation of harmonious relationships and a compassionate society. Alongside these virtuous qualities, there exists a shadow, a malevolent side that surfaces in moments of weakness, temptation, or unchecked desires. This darker aspect encompasses traits like envy, greed, and the capacity to inflict harm. It's the part of us that, when left unexamined, can lead to conflict, selfishness, and the perpetuation of suffering. The philosophical exploration of human nature delves into the age-old question of whether we are inherently good or evil. The truth, however, lies in the recognition that we are neither purely virtuous nor irredeemably malevolent. Instead, we are a nuanced blend of both, shaped by our experiences, choices, and the environment in which we exist. Psychologically, this duality is often conceptualized as the interplay between the conscious and the unconscious self. Carl Jung's theory of the shadow suggests that our unconscious harbors repressed aspects of our personality, including desires and tendencies that may be deemed socially unacceptable. Acknowledging and integrating this shadow self becomes crucial for personal growth and self-awareness. In the realm of spirituality, various traditions grapple with the intricacies of human nature. For example, in Christianity, the biblical narrative illustrates the eternal struggle between good and evil, emphasizing the concept of free will. The recognition of the devil as a tempting force mirrors the internal battle within each individual to choose the path of righteousness. Buddhism, on the other hand, approaches human nature with an understanding of suffering and the pursuit of enlightenment. The acknowledgement of desires and attachments as sources of suffering aligns with the recognition of potential malevolent aspects within us. The Buddhist path encourages transcending these attachments and cultivating virtues aligned with our angelic nature. The societal implications of understanding our dual nature are profound. Recognizing the potential for both good and evil prompts the creation of systems and structures that encourage ethical behavior while safeguarding against abuses of power. It underscores the importance of education, empathy, and fostering environments that nurture the development of our angelic qualities. At its core, the journey into the heart of human nature is a quest for balance and self-discovery. It involves acknowledging the shadows within without succumbing to despair, and embracing the goodness within without falling into complacency. It's about recognizing the capacity for change and growth, understanding that our choices shape the narrative of our lives. In conclusion, human nature is a mosaic of virtues and vices, light and shadow. The interplay between our angelic and malevolent sides is what makes us inherently human. Embracing this complexity allows us to navigate the intricacies of our existence with compassion, self-awareness, and a commitment to fostering the better angels of our nature.